G'day Oz ADV rider, just coming into the Wombat State forest. I'm going to try this Horgan track. Every time I come into the Wombat State forest I ride past and I think I should go and have a look up there one day. Well, today's the day. Go and have a look. I've just gone through some light misty rain and it's got colder and colder. It wasn't too bad when I left home, but I'm freezing now. We're just going to go and have a look, have a bit of a look around, find a nice spot for a coffee break. This is my last video. I was just saying how Wombat State Forest is always too muddy in winter. I think that's what I might find today. Righto, let's just go for it and hope for the best. Very good. Yeah, like I said, I've always been past this track but never actually been up and had a look. So we'll suss it out today. Looks like we've got a lot of water laying about. I'm just going to have to go for this one. A nice firm base, that's good. You never know out here. Some of them are very, very soft, very deep. Yeah, so this track just split into two, it joins up again. This definitely looks like the less used track. I'll suss it out, if it's no good we can always go back. Yeah, I've seen squeaky boots get stuck in stuff like this. It looks like nothing, and he's got himself quite stuck. So I'll be taking a lot of caution, especially on my own. So I've just come up this farm road. Farm road goes around to the right there. I want to go left to Lousy Track. Is it that one or that one? Looking at the map, it's definitely a sharp left turn, not a sort of straight, so we'll go that way. 1.4 k's to Lerderderg track. We shall have a look. Lousy Track, never done this one. She looks muddy. What do we got here? We'll go up the middle. I think so. Oh yeah, she's greasy, alright. I'm going to get over to that right now before I slide into it. A bit nervous on my own, very, very greasy conditions. I'm lucky the hill's not too steep. I am playing it by ear today, just knowing it's going to be muddy. Seasonal road closures will be enforced. What we got? Is that log across the road? Yep. Rightio. Thing is, I'm not really going to be able to accelerate. We might just have to set up a little jump. And normally that wouldn't worry me too much. If I had traction, I'd just pop the front wheel up and over, but because it's so bloody slippery, I can't do that. So we'll just put a couple of logs in here, make a bit of a ramp for me. So this is Rat Hole Track. We'll try it. I don't know if I'll be able to get through. I've done it once before when it was reasonably dry. I took a wrong turn and did it the hard way. Yeah, it was funny, I put out the video and a couple of locals who know the area said, no, go left, not right. So I'll go left this time. What concerned me with that left, it went downhill then up. So we'll check it out. What's this going to be like? No problems. Okay. Yeah, this is the spot. Last video I did out here, I was sitting here thinking left or right, and I went right, and I got comments saying no, left. We will go left today. Yeah, I've been that way. There was a very nasty clay hill that I managed to get up at the time. It was relatively dry then, so I'm not going to try that today. This side, I've done the top part of it, where the mine is. There's a big mine shaft up there. So we'll go check it out. Can I get through here? that one there. There's another track just there. Rightio. We'll just go in the middle. Oh, I'm going to walk it because I feel like I'm going to slide over. Shows it going through. Getting narrow. Tell you what, that looks like a good coffee spot though, doesn't it? Lately I've been just bringing a thermos full of coffee. Much easier, you just pull yourself a cup and off you go again. But you also not exactly rushed, but yeah, you drink it and go. So today I brought everything to make my coffee, forcing me to slow down and enjoy it. I do have hot water in the thermos to make it a bit easier. Oh, that's good. Oh. Rightio, time to get moving. Now, while I was sitting there enjoying my coffee, I checked the maps. I've got Cairns Road just there, Rat Hole that way, Spargo Creek's just there. So we're going to head back, try and get onto Rat Hole, and see if we can get through the rest of it. I am feeling some very light rain. Rain's getting heavier. We'll attempt Rat Hole and then I might go home from there, I reckon. There we are, back to the main track. Awesome. These puddles seem okay. I'm not going to attempt to go up there because I reckon I'll slide over. Oh. Thought I was getting stuck for a second there. See if we can get up this. Yeah, it's not too bad actually. Maybe. Oh. Righto, we're still going up. That rain's getting worse. I'll stick on this left bit. Oh. Going over. Oh, we're near the top. Awesome. Let's go have a look at the mine while we're here. Yeah, that wasn't too bad at all. Yeah, check this one out. This is Rat Hole Mine. Let's have a look while we're here. Yeah, well, it goes down and through there. There's another hole just over there, probably joins up with. Yeah, I ain't going down there though. Yeah, look at that one. She goes down a long way. Yeah, that is Rat Hole Mine. And that rain's getting worse. Let's get out of here. So we'll get back up to Cairns Road, I think it is, and then I'll head home from there. Been an awesome day out on the V-Strom. Very, very slippery conditions, but it handled it well. And yeah, I was going very slow. That's what you do when you're on your own. Take it easy. Try your best not to drop the bike. That rain's getting worse. I'm going to pack the camera gear up and get out of here. Hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.